This is a shipyard at a place called Hunters Point in South San Francisco, California. The year is 1943, and because of these people in coveralls and hard hats, the tide of battle in all theaters of war is just starting to turn in favor of the Allied forces. As dedicated as they are to the task of building the ships that carry men and arms to the far-flung fronts, these American workers still manage to have moments that lighten their load a little.
I got me a carrot. You want one?
Yeah,
there you go. Rosie, you're the original Rosie the Riveter. Why don't you put down your lunch and sing it to us, Rosie? Come on. Rosie! Oh, come on. Come on.
if it'll give you indigestion, I'll do it.
Oh, you could sing
While other girls attend their favorite cocktail bar, sipping dry martinis, munching caviar. There's a girl who's really putting them to shame. Rosie is her name. Day long with the rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working